Hi, my name is Mike, and in this video we're going to be replacing the air filter on our first generation 2007 Chevy Colorado pickup. You don't need any tools for this, although you might want to have a 10mm wrench handy, and I'll show you why here in just a minute. For the air filter, we're going to be using an AC Delco, part number A1624C, and you can pick these up at most auto parts stores, Walmart, or Amazon.com for around $20. To remove the existing air filter, it's on the passenger side of your engine compartment, and it's held in this box by 3 clips. Flip those back, and you can lift the lid off. It's hinged, so it just kind of angles up like that. Set that to the side. You can see your existing air filter in there. Looks like I've got some leaves in the box. If you've got some compressed air, it might be a good thing to, blow those out. And the air filter is held onto your intake. You just kind of wiggle it loose. And you'll see there's these little notches. These fit into corresponding notches on the bottom of the housing and on the top. So let's get our new air filter out. Line those notches up on the bottom. Press it into place. Take the top, put those 3 hinges back in, and you can kind of stick your head in there. Just make sure the notches are lining up with the new one. Close it up. Snap, 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 and done. The reason for that 10mm wrench that I mentioned is anytime you're working under the hood of your Colorado, you should always check the 2 grounding blocks. These are 2 electrical connections that various points of the vehicle ground to, and they're pretty notorious for working their way loose, and which can cause all kinds of electrical gremlins with your truck. So you can see one over here right behind the air cleaner box that I was just working with. I've got the wrench down on it here. The other grounding block is over here on the driver's side of the vehicle, right behind your ABS module, and you'll see it down there. Again, I've put the wrench on the top of the bolt just to highlight its exact location in the engine compartment. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, please like and subscribe to my channel. I hope to do a lot more different types of car repair videos in the future. Thank you, have a great day, and stay safe out there.